ओम श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः हरिः ओम ओम द्रां द्रीं द्रौं सह शुक्राय नमः ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय ओम नमो नारायणाय. Good evening dear viewers, welcome to our Nakshatranadi, the Astral Science program. So Sunday we have the class, so those who are interested they can register. Let us take few call. Good evening. Good evening. Good evening.
Sir, hello.
Yeah, tell me.
Sir, good evening, sir.
Yeah, tell me.
Sir, I asked about my marriage, sir.
You want to ask about your
Marriage, sir.
marriage? Yeah, tell me.
Going to Prashna Shastra, sir. Hello.
Tell me the number.
96, sir.
Okay. Ketu 2022 March. Ketu 5-9 is there. Ketu 5-10 combination. Right proposal will not come as per the dasha. Current bhukti, let us see. Till October you have moon which is running. Moon also will not give. And then there is Mars which is also very weak. You have to go till Mercury. What's your age?
Sir?
What is your age?
32, sir.
32.
Yes, sir.
Marriage is showing in 2025.
2025.
Yes, if you don't decide,
Okay.
if you are highly selective and if you want to look at the same, whatever your desires are, marriage will never happen till 2025.
Okay.
If you make a choice, soon,
Okay.
it will happen between December to January ASAP. By January, it will be very fruitful. By January to, by December to January.
Year, next year, sir.
Yes, this December, boss, to next day.
Next.
To decide on it, I will suggest you have to wear one emerald.
Okay, sir.
Kindly wear one Australian emerald. Don't wear Indian one.
Sir, confirm me next year, sir. Next
January,
year,
sir.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Okay. And kindly donate one Bengal gram every Thursday for at least 3 months. Okay. Chant the mantra Om Bum Budaya Namaha for confirmation by December, January, or else it will go to 24. It's written. Next. Good evening.
Good evening, sir. I want to ask about my father. His date of birth is 12/1/1970.
Okay.
12/1/1970.
Okay. Time?
8 o'clock morning.
Place?
Place Tumkur.
What is the question?
I want to ask about property, sir. Whether we have a property, whether it will be sold or will build in that new house. I want to ask.
Are you looking at sales or building?
Both, sir. Whether it will sell or not, we are asking.
Okay. Venus Dasha, Surya Bhukti. Venus 12-12-12. Surya 12-12-12-12. 12-12-12. There is sale of property, no construction.
Sale of property, no?
Yeah.
Sir? How about his health, sir? No.
By this I can't see the health. Okay. Only sale of property is showing with less profit. With less profit, sale is showing. I think within 2023 October sale will happen. Okay. There is no this combination 5, 10, 12. Okay. Good luck. Good evening.
Good evening, Guruji.
Yeah, tell me.
I'll go for Prashna Shastra.
Okay.
190.
8 seconds. 190. In what area?
190, sir.
What area?
Mysore.
190, correct?
Yes, sir.
I am talking in which area to see. Select a question.
Sir, my uncle is depressed. and has been suffering from throat pain since a year.
Depressed.
Yeah, we have suggested to doctor also, but the doctor said that he's having no problem.
Ketu moon. Ketu is with Saturn. Saturn is with Rahu. Ketu 1 and 5. Moon 3, 11, 3. What, he is not having any food or what?
He's taking every food.
Then what is the
But-
problem? If he is taking every
but,
food.
Like,
Okay, don't worry. It's not much of a problem. Ask him to donate milk to poor people, and I would suggest him one mantra. Om Brahm Breem Braum Saha Rahuve Namaha. Ask him to chant. Keep one brown color kerchief with him, and every day morning after he wakes up and brushes his teeth, he has to drink water mixed with honey. Everything gets cleared. Good luck. Every day. Good evening. Good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Yeah, tell me.
I am Nataraj from Hassan.
Yeah.
So my date of birth is 27th August 1982.
20?
7th August
Hmm.
1982.
Hmm.
7:15 a.m.
Place.
Place Hassan.
Question.
Question: when can I have my own house?
Hmm. Have you learned this subject, sir?
No, but my sister learnt it, not me.
Your sister then learnt. Your own sister.
Yes, my own sister.
So you want to cross check here. Venus, Mercury. Venus, then Mercury, Ketu. Ketu has got 4, 8, 11. Okay, we have to go to Ketu only. It is showing 2024.
Oh, okay.
Before that it is quite difficult. Even if you try, you will burn your fingers. Please relax. Start in 24, 25 it gets completed. Okay? Good luck. Okay. Good evening. Good evening.
Good evening.
Yeah, tell me, sir.
My date of birth is 25 June 1987.
25.
June. Timing is
25 June.
9:25 p.m. 1987.
Time.
Time is 9:25.
We'll complete today only or till tomorrow we'll keep on discussing?
Sorry,
9
25 p.m.
PM.
Yeah.
Place.
Place is Mumbai.
Yeah, tell me what is the question?
With regards to my career, I need a change in job. Will I get a good job?
Okay. Jupiter and Rahu. Jupiter, there is no change. Rahu, Saturn will change. 23 January onwards, there is a big career change. Okay?
Yeah.
From Guru 8 to 5. You learn still better. Your money, everything will increase. 5 folds.
Yeah.
Fantastic time. Good luck. Join our class, you will know better how it happens. Next.
Yeah. Thank you. Thank you.
2023 January for 20 years, 19 years, no looking back. Okay. Good evening. So Sunday we have our class. So those who are interested can just register. Tomorrow one more day is there to decide. Sunday is also there to decide. Okay, good evening.
Hello, sir.
Tell me, sir.
This is Abhijit here.
Yeah.
I want to know about my foreign education. So, do I tell my birth detail now?
Yeah.
3 July 1992.
Okay, time.
11:50 a.m.
Place.
Bangalore, sir. Hello.
Wait. Venus. Under Venus 2022 March. Mercury. Venus. 2912 4712 56. Yes. Mercury. Mercury is showing 1153. Third house of travel is also there. 9 and 12 is also there. Okay.
When should I apply for universities, sir? And when can I get a chance to go?
Mars 11, Moon 11, 12, Mars 11, 12, Rahu 11 and 12. Yes, Mars. You apply this August, next month.
Okay.
Between October to March, you will be selected.
Sir, will I be able to get your masters in computers, sir? Because I intend to do in computer.
Yes, definitely.
So Canada.
Next year March it will be finalized. Next year March.
Okay.
Your ticket, everything will be finalized. Good luck. Good evening. Good evening. So those who are interested to know more about your life, it is always better to learn this subject, and you can pinpoint when you'll be. So you'll be happy, right? When we all plan to learn such big courses, this fees is nothing in front of those courses. Those course value. But this value is very higher. Course fees is nothing, rock bottom. People should think, why can't I learn this? That is only 15 days. That is only for 2 hours. Learn this subject. Know your life yourself. No need to depend upon anybody. How long can we get connected in this call here? All the matured people should think. I am little bit blunt, but I am telling the fact. People understand the full fact. Good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, my name is Harish. My question is regarding marriage, sir. My date of birth is 9/7/1994.
Time?
12:30. Birthplace Pandya.
12:30 when?
Afternoon.
Question?
When I'll get married, sir?
Why are you so dull, boss? People will become dull after marriage. Before marriage only you are dull.
Parents are trying so many, not getting anywhere.
Okay. They are not selecting, or you people are not selecting? 22 Mercury. Let me see the script of Mercury. Mercury is 1, 9, 10, 3, 8, 10, 11. Mercury Dasha is not giving any marriage. We have to go for the Antarbhukti. The Antarbhukti 8 to January. No. Let me look at the Antarbhukti 5, 5, 5, 10, 10, 10. Only Jupiter and Saturn is good. Let me look at the script of Jupiter and Saturn 2, 7, 11. Yes. Jupiter and Saturn, which comes between 2021 November to July. Your marriage will take place between 2021 November to 2022 July.
Okay.
But it will not be happy. Kindly, I will suggest you to wear one golden hesonite to your right hand middle finger. Go for 6-face Rudraksh. Lot of ego clashes will be there. The prospective, your wife predominantly will not stay. Take care of her properly, or she is a cranky. We can just think what kind of a partner we get. It's a quite easy combination. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. Next. Kindly, whatever I suggest you wear, at least 60-70%, it will get cured. Next. Good evening.
Hello?
Yeah.
Hello, sir. Good evening, sir.
Good evening, sir. Tell me, sir.
Sir, I'm calling from Pondicherry.
Very good.
For me, my personal, my career and my personal life.
Only one question.
Okay, sir. My career.
There is an option to know about your entire life by learning this course. Okay?
Okay, sir.
You are all matured people. Taking up the course, you will continue to know the better part of your next life. Okay?
Okay, sir. Sure.
Date of birth, tell me. 6 June
1987.
1987.
June 6. Yes.
Okay. 6/6/1987. Time and place.
Time is morning 8:50 a.m.
Next.
Place is Pondicherry.
What is the question you selected?
My career, sir.
Okay. Let me look at the career. Currently, till 2023, Rahu is there.
Okay.
Rahu 578-123. You can be in Rahu. From Rahu, it changes to Jupiter 9 and 5. Software is good for you.
Okay, sir.
Creativity, software, product development, networking. These are the good line for you.
Okay.
After Rahu, 2023 October onwards, Jupiter will start.
Okay.
Jupiter predominantly will give you a travel outside.
Oh, sure. Maybe abroad.
Yeah. Maybe
Okay.
it's confirmed. It's
Confirmed.
with willpower you might not go. Okay. If you decide,
okay.
you'll make good money over there. Enjoy life there.
Okay.
After 23, career is good outside. Or else you have to leave your birthplace and go and work in Mumbai, Delhi, Hyderabad. Then life changes. Good luck. Okay. Good evening. Hello.
Hello. Good evening, Guruji.
Yeah, tell me.
Sir, calling from Chennai. I have joined the class, sir.
Oh, great.
Sir.
Sunday will be
Sir,
starting. Don't worry. Fantastic.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Tell me.
I want to ask about my son's job, sir.
Tell me.
His date of birth is 22/12/1991.
1981.
1991, sir.
91. 91.
27
Okay.
December
Okay. 91.
1991. 12:58 noon.
12:58. 58:00 noon. Place of birth.
Chennai, sir.
Chennai.
Sir, he has appeared 3 times for IAS, sir. He got the interview 3 times, sir. But
Okay.
he couldn't succeed.
So 3 times he did his prelims, sir.
Preliminary, final also, he attempted interview also 2 times.
Ayyo. Let me look at 61011 is there. 61011 only will give.
Yes,
get
but he is not able to pass in the bank examination and all the things. After
66666.
degree, after 6 years, he is unable to get any job, sir.
Okay. Okay.
It is great, sir.
So again he is writing the exam.
Next 1 or 2 months, sir.
Okay,
Again,
but he is not in job now.
yes, sir, he is not in job, sir.
So what is the question you are looking at?
You should get at least any job, sir. Not at least whether he will succeed in his IAS. He has got,
Saturn moon I will look at. Saturn 1011 is there. With 12 is there. Moon 6, 9, 10, no 11 there. 6, 9, 10, 11 should come. It is all nearing 5, 6, 10, 11. So we will show all these combinations in our class. You will come to know. Sir, IA is quite difficult, sir. I am really sorry. Highly difficult. If he wants to succeed in that, I would only suggest to wear one blue sapphire. That is the first part. But what I can conclude this. Are you in line, sir? Ayyo. This person would have got a very good offer when he has completed his degree or whatever it might be. This person has got a fantastic offer that they have missed out. Always I suggest, don't lose out your career just for the sake of this UPSC. Because I keep on telling people, 10 lakh people write it. Only 700 people, 800 people get selected. And most of them just falling behind this have lost their golden opportunity in life. If people who are listening in their 2 years, I am reinstating, always when there is a destiny which says that I am cracking and I am becoming a administrative officer, they should never worry about it. They should always think that plan B should be there. Those people who are so keen in doing this, if they don't have a plan B, then I would call that as a disaster if they don't have a plan B. Confidence is okay. Higher confidence is okay. Overconfidence is highly bad for people who are in this aspiration of getting into this UPSC examination. I have not seen one horoscope or two horoscopes. I have seen thousands. Till date, around close to 8,000 horoscopes who have got into this administrative services. In that, till date, I have got around 3 to 4. That's it. Out of 8,000 horoscope, I have just got 3 to 4, and I have told them you will succeed. And they have taken 2 years time to succeed it. If there is a success, it tells. Such is the beauty of our astrology. Being my subject, I would proudly say, please mark this or underline this. I will definitely proudly say, those who are aspiring, those 10 lakhs people, they have to learn this Nakshatra Nadi and apply there. By learning this, what will save is their precious golden years they save. Because any person between 21 to 31 is a very golden age for any person to shape up their career. If the line they go in, if it cracks, nothing to think about it. But it all cracks based on the combination which shows in Nakshatra Nadi, the astral science combination. Our app. This app is developed by me. People, this is a high precision app which takes care of the planetary intelligence. People talk about artificial intelligence, they will talk about other intelligence, bureaucratic intelligence, crime intelligence. I talk about planetary intelligence. They are prime and they are the prime. It's a small investment. Before making a big investment, I always call people, those who have joined for these courses and all, where they pay 1.5 lakhs, 2 lakhs, 2.5 lakhs for the course. I always call for them to learn this subject. Even if they don't have a perfect date of birth, or even if they have a date of birth and time of birth, they can definitely cross-check with the Prashna Shastra, which will clearly tell yes or no. More confidence is built by seeing the planetary intelligence. They can have a plan B, not to lose out on the life. If the parents are rich, don't bother about your 21 to 31. If your parents are stinking rich, don't worry about your 21 to 31 at all. You try whatever you like. Those people who are in the middle class, neither in the upper class, neither in the lower class of the income strata, they have a lot of aspiration. My son or daughter will crack it one day. and they would have studied very well. They would have done their engineering. They would have done their other good course. They would have also got an offer. They would have rejected it. That rejection itself is a bad omen. Somebody who has got a good offer after completing the degree, just because they have to go and crack the main prelims or mains or that UPSC, or here it is known as KPSC, or somewhere in Tamil Nadu, I don't know, it must be TPSC, or in Andhra it might be again APSC or something like that. People reject the job they have got. That is a very highly bad omen they get across. It is a rejection from to the cosmos that I don't want this job. That is where it's an indication that, it's a clear indication that bad time is going to start. I have not seen less than 8,000 horoscope, especially on this parameter, and I have asked them. They have written the exam for not less than 7 to 8 times and still not cracked, and it has become like an addiction to them. UPSC writing is like an addiction to people. Please kindly don't get into this kind of addiction. Government might not say this word. I, as a human being, as a guru, as a path shower to the people, I would always want to say good about people, and I want to see good about the people. Don't lose your golden career at all just for the sake of going there. You might be very brilliant, you might be having a great knowledge, don't deny about it, but getting through out of 10 lakh people requires little bit of luck and support from the planets. You might do well, but your effort will be around 90%. Rest 10% depends on your karma and the horoscope. With experience, with 25 years of experience, I am telling you. Many have lost their career, many have lost their complete mind just behind going that UPSC services. It has become a craze among many people. These days, you just think about 5 years back and now, there are many institutions which are cropping up just to crack, make money by the desire of UPSC. Fact I am talking. People say that astrology is a myth. Astrology prediction is a myth. I am telling, myths are running all across, in all stream of life, even in this UPSC. Even in this UPSC. People are not bothered. People have dedicated their precious age, especially youth age, they have dedicated. After losing this, they don't have any choice whether they don't get back their age. They would have lost that studies, whatever they have done, no job, nothing. If the father or the parents are super rich, then no, nothing like that. They will get through. But something gone, middle class. Okay, after break, let us discuss. Okay. Let us take further more calls. Good evening. Tell me.
Yes, sir, calling from Coimbatore.
Yeah.
N. Ashwin Kumar.
Yeah, tell me, sir. Tell me your date of birth.
Date of birth 5/12/1974.
एक second. Can you repeat it?
N. Ashwin Kumar, sir.
No, not the name, sir.
5/12/1974.
Just tell your date of birth, time of birth, place of birth.
Okay, sir. Date of birth is 5/12/1974.
Okay.
11:04 a.m.
Okay.
And place of birth Coimbatore.
Question.
Question regarding prospects in stock market, sir. I want to enter into stock market. What will be the prospects for me?
Okay. Currently, till 23, Mars is there. Mars 3, 9, 10, 11, 2, 5, 11 should come. Then Rahu 2, 5, 11 is there. But underground, let me see, Jupiter 10. Rahu is with 1. 60% you will lose out, sir, by 23 January.
23,
By
okay,
2023 you can do, from 2023 onwards, your stock, your money will go very high. Very high.
Okay, sir.
And suddenly you will lose everything. Almost 60% will be lost. This is my prediction.
That is from 2023, sir. It will be for some time there, sir. For a few years, I will be gaining.
Yes. Only for few years.
Sir.
And Rahu, after 23, it will take you very up. So best suggestion, once you get money in this, keep on losing 30-40% by giving to your mother or father or your wife. It should never be in your account. This is the secret I am telling you. If you keep on telling that today that 100 rupees what I have brought, it has gone to 400, start selling it, keep 200, give away 300 to your wife or your children or this one. It should never be in your account. Again, start playing in 100.
It can be donated also, yes, sir, in a way.
Donation is not required, sir. Donation is not required.
Okay.
You do this trading like a beggar, sir. Please understand. You do this trading like a beggar. The wealth should be created with the people around you. Got it? You understood what I said?
Yes, sir. Yes.
I trade. Okay. I have invested 10,000. This month I made around 60,000. Approximately 40 I remove and put it in my wife's account or mother's account or children account. Got it? I think if you just understand this, you will make a lot of money in shares. Or else if you keep everything, that 400 should become 900, then again you let it go, then I look at very surplus, that 10,000 become 2 lakhs. Suddenly one day that 10,000 also will go away and it will become minus combination. Rahu will get into that. So join this class, you will come to know what needs to be done at every point of time. That is the beauty of this class. People invest lakhs, if not thousand, they invest lakhs in shares. This is the second thing. One, before the break I spoke about UPSC. Now I am talking about shares. Our class gives a complete guarantee whether to go for it or not. I will teach you how it has to be done by daily putting Prashna Shastra and checking how will be the stocks run today. And you can experience it clearly. Okay. Good evening.
Good evening, Guruji.
Yeah,
my name is Rajni.
Yeah.
So I wanted to ask my friend Guruji, her future, because now she is in a bad condition. She lost her job and also her construction building was also stopped. Constructor, he cheated her. So that's why she's in a very critical condition, sir. So I want to know about her future, Guruji. Her name is Divya. Date of birth is 16/12/1970, Guruji. 4:50 p.m.
6 or 16?
Yeah, Guruji. 16/12/1970.
1/6.
Yes, yeah, Guruji. 1/6/12/1970, Guruji.
Time
4:20 p.m. Place of birth Shumaga.
Is she married?
No, Guruji, not married. she's single. Because now she lost everything, Guruji, father and brother, and her job, everything she lost.
She had lot of money till 2020 November.
Guruji.
Last year. Now everything is gone because the finances has crashed. The status will remain same for next 16 years. The status remains same for next 16 years.
Oh, 16 years, Guruji.
Yes, because she made a lot of money. Everything was good till 2000, from 2020 to 2000 to 2020. For 20 years, everything was there. And she lost everything post this 2020. And this cannot be revived. 12. But nothing to worry for life.
Okay, Guruji.
Now she can find a good partner. Now the partner time has just started.
Oh, okay.
She will get a partner who will be rich.
Okay.
She will get a. Don't worry about what is her age. She might be 50 plus. Don't worry at all.
Okay.
She will get a partner. Or if she is not interested, I suggest her to try for a partner.
Okay.
Just to have a. What you said, she has lost his parents also, everything, right?
Yeah.
If she finds a partner, the partner will be having all the money. But she will not be the owner, but she can enjoy the same status. 57457, everything shows that partner will be there. If she doesn't find a partner, she has to suffer further. This is the suggestion I am giving. To enjoy that combination, she has to wear one Burmese ruby, right hand ring finger Burmese ruby. That is the first suggestion I give. And 8-face Rudraksh. 8-face Rudraksh. Okay, this is the suggestion. She can chant the mantra Om Dram Dream Drom Saha Shukraya Namaha, unlimited. Good luck. Ask her to join this class, she can understand better. Okay, good evening.
Hello. Guruji, good evening, namaskara. I'm calling from Dubai.
Yeah, tell me,
I'm
sir.
watching your program. Very happy with the way you explain. It's very good and crisp. Guruji, I want to know about my niece. She's also with me in Dubai.
Okay.
Her date of birth is 19th January 1994, and she was born at 9:25 at night in Pune.
Okay, what is the question?
Yeah, I want to know because her parents are trying a lot for her marriage. When she will get married? I want to know.
Okay. So how long you are watching my program, sir?
I'm working in Dubai.
No, how long you are watching my program?
I'm watching for almost now 2-3 weeks now, not very far, but I'm because I also like astrology a lot.
Okay. You are from which part of India?
I'm actually Tamil, Chennai, but born brought up in Pune.
Pune. Okay. Right. Good. Okay. I think you have found this. You also know a little bit of astrology, right?
Yeah.
I have brought this a new system in astrology. It is under the gambit of KP astrology, but I have a different methodology.
Yeah. Honestly, I'm very much interested in learning, but the timings are not matching. I see that Sunday you're having class, but that time is not matching with my time here. Otherwise,
I start by 7, and I think the time will be around 4:30, right? Dubai timing, evening.
Yeah, 7 means 5:30 here.
5:30 p.m.
Yeah, you are doing 7 o'clock in the evening, right?
Yes, sir. It's in the evening. It's in the evening. Okay, not in the morning 7. Okay, let me look at it. Think through, sir. It's once you have learned, you know a little bit of astrology. This astrology is quite fascinating, and it gives the pinpointing timeline. So currently till December, Jupiter is running on Sun and Jupiter. Let us look at Sun 15152511, Jupiter 35. The problem is right suitable groom will never come for her. That is the biggest problem here.
Okay.
Because always whenever there is 5-5-5-5 combination, matching is the biggest hurdle. Matching.
Okay.
Matching not only as per the astrology. I am not talking about astrology matching. The liking, then the job matching, then the salary matching, then the stay matching. All are haywire. So highly difficult. So I have to go inside and just check the secondary combination where we call it is 2-7-11. The secondary combination with is with Saturn, I believe. Yes, 7-9. That is also not there. 2-5-11. Mercury. 2022 December to 2023 October is the time, marriage time. Not before that. 2022 December to 2023 October is the marriage time. Mercury on the secondary front, it gives 2-7-11, but with difficulty. Okay, this combination is quite difficult for marriage, sir. Even if marriage happens, compatibility issues quite high. Okay, not to take this as a negative feedback. Take this as a positive feedback. Look at the attitude of the person rather than looking at other areas like what does he do the job. I am not telling that it is not important. It's quite important. But the first and foremost criteria should be on the attitude of the person. Once the attitude matches, the way he talks, the way he responds, if the attitude matches, it is for any relationship, that's for true. But here, the more emphasis should be given on attitude. If the person attitude gels with that girls, they have to talk for a longer duration for 6 to 7 months if they like each other. Then only they have to get into the wedlock. Otherwise, this combination will be a disaster. Again, 5 combination, 10 combination, lot of ego clashes will happen. So this horoscope tells that ego is on the prime. 23 only. Okay, good luck. Good evening. So we have our classes on Sunday. It's in the evening from 7 p.m. it starts. Indian Standard Time, local Bangalore time, and till 9 p.m. every day for 15 days to 2 hours. Good evening.
Good evening, Dinesh sir.
Yes, tell me.
It's happy to be talking to you, sir.
Yeah, my pleasure. Yeah, tell me.
Sir, I have completed my BCom recently, like 2 years ago, and I am attempting for UPSC, sir. So, but I have given my first attempt, and this October will be my second attempt. But I'm not very sure about how this career will go for me, and I have another option also. If I have to continue preparing for this exam, or if I have to go.
I am sure that you heard about today's speech before the break.
No, sir. Actually, I was studying. I just came and.
I was just telling, out of 10 lakh people will be so interested to get into UPSC, and they'll waste their career. I was just talking for almost 10 minutes. I spoke on that subject.
Yes, sir.
Always you people should have a backup in the career. Otherwise, you lose out your career and you lose out your mind, and you will get into depression.
Yes, sir. That's why I wanted to take your opinion, sir, before giving another attempt. So.
Yeah, tell me your date of birth. Let me finish it fast. Another 5 minutes is there.
Okay. Shall I go to Prashna Shastra or date of birth, sir?
You give me your date of birth, because I can look at the other areas where you can focus. Okay. If this is failing.
Okay, sir. Sure, sir. Okay. 1910.
Okay.
1998.
Time.
Time 1:08, sir. It was in the midnight.
Okay. Place of birth.
Place of birth, Bangalore, sir.
Okay. 19 October 1998. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Last time you lost out in the prelims?
No, sir. I failed, sir.
Lost out in the prelims, right? Okay. Same thing. Failed. Okay.
Yes, yes.
So, from 2012, Rahu is running.
Okay.
You are into the technical department, technical side, study?
No, sir. I did
commerce.
my BCom.
Commerce, okay.
Yes, commerce.
Commerce. I just checked the secondary numbers, which is showing 7.
Yeah,
So you should
yeah,
have
sir.
got into commerce, okay. Rahu doesn't show any combination for UPSC combination. Let me look at inside. Rahu 10 is there, 11 is not there. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10. Only one number was required in Rahu for getting through your civil services. That is 11.
Oh. Okay.
So
sir.
you will go very near and it will be blocked.
Oh.
So the best combination for you for this CA would be very good. CA.
Yes, sir.
What is the other
Sir,
plan you have?
Sir, my other plan is to go abroad and study MBA, sir.
Which stream? Finance?
Yes, sir. Finance.
Please go right away. Even if your flight is tomorrow morning, please board your flight. I'm telling you.
Okay.
Don't get into this this last attempt you do it across. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Just for a passion you do it. But I
Okay,
don't
sir.
so I don't want to tell you false promises that try once more. Don't lose out your golden years because already you are at 23. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now
yes,
this is
sir.
the time you have to get into MBA 2 years. By 25 you have to complete. And definitely
Okay, sir.
200% you will be in abroad because this shows abroad time. Travel
Thank you
time.
so much, sir.
See,
Thank
when you
you
look
so
at the
much,
travel, your Rahu Dasha is
Okay.
planet denotes travel. Okay.
Okay,
So
sir.
with little bit difficulty you'll be going there. It's not easy, but with little bit difficulty you'll be going there. Just write your
Okay, sir.
exams, whatever is there for to get into the university.
Sir, can I know when I can be in abroad, sir, for studies?
Oh, that
In
also
which
you will
year?
do. You learn my subject. You make a point that at least today or next you learn this Nakshatra Nadi.
Yes, sir, sure, sir. I am trying to.
Okay. Done.
Actually, my mother and
Yeah.
me both are very interested, sir, and we want to learn and we will learn, sir.
Great. Okay. This September to October you will crack. If there is any university which you are writing the exam, this September
sir.
to October you will crack.
This September to October.
Yeah,
right?
if there is any exam which comes across in that period.
No, sir. Actually,
And-
this October I have UPSC, sir.
Leave it. But the next time will be 22 March to July. That is the final time.
22 March to July, sir.
Yeah, that is the second time which you will be getting. But once it is confirmed, Ketu will
Yeah,
take you
sir.
abroad by 2023 April. Don't lose out your period. That's what I am telling. If you keep on telling that I have that exam, this exam, you lose out your golden
Okay.
years.
Okay, sir.
Keep on writing that exam also. Keep on looking for a
Okay, sir,
university. If you get everything right, before paying
sir.
the money, you complete here and check once by October, November. By March to July, you will be there. Okay, good luck. I've taken some time because it's your golden career, which is quite important. Okay.
Hello.
Anyway, you just run across. Okay, good evening. Last call we'll take.
Namaste, Guruji.
Namaste.
Guruji, I'm Venkatesh calling from Chikbalapur, Guruji. Hello.
Yeah, tell me, sir.
Sir, from last 2 years I'm watching your program, sir.
Oh,
I'm a big fan of you, sir.
2 years. Okay, great.
Yes.
For
I
other
want to
states,
ask,
I'm a new face. People don't. A little bit, they are skeptical that okay, this guy has come suddenly. We don't know about him. I am seeing him from past 2 weeks. Okay, from last 5 years, I'm in this media field here and teaching to more than 12,000 plus students worldwide.
Great, Guruji. Your strength is good. Great, Guruji. Your programs are back-to-back programs.
Yeah, I do have. I am an astrologer, but I don't know about other fields and all like BCom and IAS, that and all I don't know, agriculture and all I don't know about. But I can guide people in whatever work they are in. That strength God has given me.
Yes, big son, Guruji, for you. So many channels you are telling for so many people.
See, based on experience I tell, because somebody will tell that I want to do my civil services, then I have to understand the statistics, how many people write, how many people get through, how many people are interested, then I correlate with the planetary positions, then I will guide them, no, you are doing a wrong thing. Then yes, if it is there, yes, you are doing the right, you go, achieve, crack it. Okay, tell me about yourself.
Guruji, about my marriage and career I want to ask Guruji.
Date of birth?
27 January 1989.
Okay, time?
11:55 a.m.
But you have not learned this subject, right?
No, Guruji.
Place of birth?
Chikbalapur, Guruji.
You can also take up our Kannada classes, okay?
Yes,
and you will always be
Guruji.
associated with me. Those who come along for my classes, most of the people will be associated because I give my personal number with them, and at any crucial time, people take my suggestion. I have a lot of people, but my response might be delayed, but it will not be denied. That is the
short
one.
time I'll ask your appointment also, Guruji.
Yeah, no. I don't like for consultation. I hate consultation, sir. I love to teach you and show you what is your life. Rahu is completing in another 5 months, and from Rahu, Jupiter is going across. You can be in management, administration, and other stuff.
Okay.
What is the question? What is the problem, sir?
Sir, about my marriage, sir.
Only marriage, okay.
Marriage and career.
Career is good, nothing to worry. Career is good, nothing to worry.
Okay, Guruji.
What line you have
About
selected?
marriage, I'm completed diploma, Guruji. I'm working in small scale industry.
You can try for abroad.
Okay.
Your marriage will happen in 2023. Sorry, 1 second. 2022 June.
22 June.
Yeah, two months here and there. Okay? Your marriage will happen in 22. Nothing to
Career
worry.
is good, Guruji.
Career is excellent. Please try for abroad. Based on your line, go abroad. The combination is excellent. Even Saturn also promotes. You'll make a lot of money in Saturn. So time's up. Okay. Good luck to all the viewers. God bless all of you with health, wealth and happiness. Sarve jana sukhino bhavantu.